Unong yalam rangba ke All India Congress Committee Sashi Tharoor. Unwan sa Shillong Lashai ke Sngi. Banyadon benta ha ke Jngoh jong ke parti. Kani ke Jngwan ke Jong kalayo ya ke Jngkong san. Namarba ke Jing penlong election syaki yung dorbar tauan kasa satang daki benai. Bat ke seng Congress ke don sya try du klaim da don watang uwi nong mi kemat ru. Kalong ke ba ketik jumut banyo i ba ke Jngwan Tharoor sa Shillong kan yarap ban pin ke imbyang pat ya ke seng ke bala sensyar ya ke jala daki pausnem. Ha ke jo ke pori MLA ke seng Congress bala syaweng na East Shillong constituency ikong amprin lingdo ila keno aba ke seng Congress kapra bat kala kentat ya barok ki MLA bat kala rai ban pinyeng da laki jong ki kertong. Ila kentoru ba ki sangut ki MLA ki bala syaweng kila rai ban pinkut ya ka samay kum ki MLA ka Congress haswa bakin rong sya ki weipat ki seng san hima.
Discussion of fate of the fight. I think it has become very clear. I think the media is following this matter very keenly. I think you already know who the Congress candidate is from 16 East Shillong. You have also announced it in all of your channels. So what happens to this sitting Congress? Shall I sit duck and do nothing? Or shall I move forward? This is the question I'm asking my people in my campaign trail. Likewise, even my friend is asking the same questions to our people. So there is no question of fate. We are completing our term as per the mandate given to us by our people from one party, and that is the Congress party.
La play ka try hills and